Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about subquery within from clause, and just like the other videos, we will do it using an question. So what is the question? Highest grossing items. This is an Amazon SQL interview question. It's of the difficulty level medium. So let's look at the question first. Assuming that you are given a table containing data on Amazon customers and their spending on products in different category. Write a query to identify the top two highest grossing products within each category for the year 2022. And so let's just take a quick look at the table. This is product underscore spend, which has category, product, user ID, spend, and transaction date. So what do we want to do? Let's just start writing the query, and we have the table name as product spend, and we just care about the year 2022 as per the question. If you look at the question, they say that in the year 2022. So let's filter out the year. So we'll say year in transaction date is equal to 2022. Let's see if the syntax is correct or not. And okay, it should be from. Yeah. So this seems to be working. And now what the question asks is that spending on products in different categories. So if you take a look at category, there are several categories, and in each category there are several products. But here you can see that product itself is not a unique; it is appearing multiple times. So across for the different user IDs. So a same different user IDs can buy a refrigerator, which comes under appliance category. So we will use the group by clause with category comma product, and let's write the select statement. And what do we really want here is the total spending. So spend as total spend. Let's see if this query is syntactically correct or not. It seems to be syntactically correct. So what here is the output. Here for every appliance, for every category, we have a product and we know its total spend. But you can see appliance as a refrigerator, appliance as washing machine, appliance as microwave. So it has three products, three different products, and same goes for electronics as well. So what they want now is identify the top two highest grossing products. Now we can easily do that using the rank functionality. So if someone is not familiar with the rank, I think they should take a look at this rank function. It's one of the most important functions that are needed, especially when we are finding the information like top two, when we have to rank some data. So rank over partition by category, and we will order by what to. Oh, we can't, have to do it like in descending order, as I'll put it as rank. So let's see if this query works or not. Yes, this query works. It gives us the ranking. And now what do we want to do is basically, let me just, we need the, as per the question, we need the top two uh, products in each category. So let's, now that we have rank, can we do something like this? RNK less than equal to 2. Um, do you think that this would work? So let's just give it a shot. And yeah, it's throwing error. What is the error? Column RNK does not exist. Have we made a mistake? No, RNK is there in the select, but it's somehow Postgres is not able to find out the column. So why this is happening? Now this is where we really jump into the main crux of today's video. So in order to understand why this is failing, we need to go to how SQL Server sorry, how any SQL engine is going to perform the operations. So order of execution is very important to understand. So let's look at the diagram. So any SQL engine will first take from clause. It will fetch the table name from the from clause. Then it will apply the where clause, which will filter the data. So in our case, it's from product spend, and then it will apply the where clause that is extracting the year 2022, and rank is equal to rank is less than equal to 2, and then there will be a select statement. So this is the order execution. So first from gets executed, then where gets executed, then select gets executed. So what's happening here is that the rank is calculated in the select statement, and because of that, since select statement gets executed after the where clause, so where clause doesn't know what RNK stands for because RNK has not yet been calculated. So that's why it is giving the error. So how can we remedy it? So one of the option is subquery within from clause. So I'm putting this whole query inside a from clause. I'm putting this query as it is in a from clause. And then what we'll do is I'll use it some alias. So now select, I'll do star or let's say select category product total spend, and here in the where clause I will say RNK is less than equal to 2. So let's just run this and see if it works or not. It actually works. So now we have got the here the where clause works because what is happening here is that in first how the execution will happen. So first it will take this outer from clause, and then it will do all, so and we'll go into the inner query where it will do the from, again the inner from clause from product spend. It will apply the where clause, and then I think it will apply the group by, and then we'll do the select statement, and all the calculations will be done here. After these calculations are done in this from class, and as per the SQL execution order, it will go to the outer where clause, and here the rank statement would be accessed where rank is less than 2, and then the select statement, which is category product and total spend in the outer query, will be executed. So let's just try to submit this and see if it works. And yes, it has accepted the solution. So what did we learn here is how to use the subquery within from clause, and what is the reason why would we need it. So basically, if there is some calculation that is getting performed in a select statement and we need to use that calculation for filtering, then it is not possible to do that in the same query. So we basically put that query inside a from clause. So we practically make it as a subquery, and due to that, what happens is that outside that particular subquery, that particular column which was calculated, so in this case it is RNK, can be used to do the filtering. So this is the one of the use of a subquery within from clause, and this is not just one method. We can also use CTE to do that, but that's I think for some other video. Just to take a quick recap, um, SQL execution engine executes the statements in this order. First from clause is executed, then where clause is executed, then select clause is executed. So there are other clauses as well, like group by and having and several other clauses which I'm not including it here. But yeah, this is why this is how the execution order works, and this is, yeah, so this is the description about the subquery within from clause. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe and share it. Thank you.